guys, welcome to KTU channel. Guys, I'm very interested in space and space technology. So while I'm learning about how the space station works and its orbital stuff and technology stuff in that, I thought a crazy idea. And before that, this project is just for fun and for educational purpose. So don't take it serious. Okay, this I made a device. Okay, that when the International Space Station passes your head, will give some notifier by blinking the LED. So sounds cool, right? And this is my project. Here we're gonna use NodeMC board. If you are new to NodeMC board, you can check this video. In that video, I'm making a simple project in NodeMCU with the Blink app. We can control the LEDs by the blink using internet. So cool. I also shown that video how to change the preference in Arduino IDE. So it is pretty useful for you. So you can check that video. In our project, we are going to use two apps, Blink and IFTT. These two apps are very great platform to learn IoT and making projects. And the final thing, all the links for circuit and code and for the video and about the app all in description below. So you can check it out that. Then let's start our project. Now we're gonna program to the NodeMC board by the Arduino IDE. Now our project we're gonna use two apps, Blink and IFTT. But now we're gonna program for only Blink app because we can connect the IFTT app to the Blink. So the work is easier, right? Another thing, if you're gonna program in Arduino or other, just write an algorithm of your program so that you can understand the program easily. And you can also identify the errors in your program easily. Also return the algorithm of your project in a notepad. So it is easy to program. Okay, let's start our work. Okay guys, now I'm gonna show how to connect the Blink and IFTT, but here I can't give all the information which is essential because there are some personal like email and URLs. So if you want to know how to do that, you can check it out the description. There I gave all the essential information how we have to do that. So now follow my steps what I'm doing. Okay guys, another thing. If you're watching this video, you definitely have a doubt that this project is real or not. And this project is real and it's working. Another thing, ISS, I mean International Space Station. When the International Space Station passes over your head, in that time only the projectile indicates you by blinking. Another time it don't. The International Space Station travels 17,150 miles per hour. That's crazy, right? So that it can orbit our Earth every 92 minutes. So there is more chance to test our project is working or not. And sometimes it will start to blink when you are sleeping, so you can't see that. And it may not be blink sometimes because due to that orbits of the International Space Station. And I got only one time it started blinking. You can see in that video, in the ending, it started to blink. So the project is successfully working. You want to see when the space station goes over your head, you can search in Google when the space station coming near to my place. So that it can useful for you to test the project working or not. So our project is successfully working. That's all. Thanks for watching this video.